Today I'm going to make blog in English. I know my English is not so good, but I believe that it will be
our fasting retreat in Tibetanese Nyune, right?
Nyune 송거에 저거디 단다 번다 시비나 사간다바 나 개와 가르시나 배 배우신보다 니과 가르시나 떡시
가서 정원에다 가서 두두 약보지 받점해봐 약보지 너도나 섬
Hello Interstellar, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Tenzin Yong. Today I'm going to make blog in English. I know my English is not so good, but I believe that it will be slowly improve, and I know you all are there to support me to improve my English. So let's go to talk about today's my topic. Today's my topic is fasting retreat. Especially today's it is very special day, and it's not only today, this a whole month is very special in Tibetan calendar. So especially invite my YouTube channel, the great and kind nuns of our conventional nunnery. And yeah, she is Gela Gensen Doma. She is very kind, very sweet, and very talented, very she's very good, and she helps other very in heart and very sweetly. And yeah, she helped me lot when I was new in here, and she teach me lot philosophy. And not only me, she helped each and every our junior nun who didn't understand well philosophy, and she always teach others from heart. And she is also very near to give Geshima's exam. It means she 17 years course of Geshima's exam. Yeah, she's very good. Yeah, she is our Gela, computer Gela. I usually call her sister, and she is Sister Lobsang Chodon. She came from Brazil, and she is also very kind and very great. She is also one of our example to study hardly and smartly. She is also our computer teacher and translator teacher. And yeah, she's last year of virgin. And hope you all enjoy today's my blog.
참말 다시 저다 뉴네데 배가 저다 보진한테 그 쇼 신나베 진압신보 그 냠리지기 있다 저데 네 제레즈기 게놈 마페 몰라 나한테 제레 게놈 마페 모티 냠슬라니 네고 체질라다 조금 좀 더서마다 데마티베 공 류라 나타 망보직 디제네즈 쇼가 뉴네 냠슬람 바데니 다소야게 들리다지다 네 로유 이런 거 인사리 저저 당가서디 뉴네 디 야단다 쇼가 당거 뉴네다 디 쇼가 당 뉴네 송거에 저저디 단다 번다 시비나 사간다바 나 개와 가르시나 배 배우신보다 니과 가르시나 떡신 버리시 단다디 다바데 산지 좀 된디 그 총바당 산디바다 냥엘린디바 정말 두시 냠디 다바디 나나 좀 보여봐 인자 내가 좀 개와 가르시나 랍신 보여봐 인자 대신에 내가 좀 뉴네디 송거여서 데도 저저 당가도 뉴네 송야 뭐 저디 소소그다 고슴 누가 있음디 거니 니과 다야당 초사야기 시대 맨날 루디거니 샤츠니 루디 데도 다바당 나가거니 만에 동바당한테 뉴네기 쇼가 제네즈 그 쇼가 동바라티다 이디거니 제네즈 그 검니 샤주지심 공발라서 저저다 택시 소주 샤주지 동바들 링그라테 데가서 누가 있음지 데도 다야당 초소야기 시대 뉴네 송과에 그저 뭐 저다 들리사리 들리지를 타잖아
Gela tushina ani sa karsidering nundegi kola sashin sabada ani pe yabuchi ani tushina wala tushina.
Yeah, thank you so much, and hello everyone. So yes, today we are about to start our fasting retreat in Tibetanese Nyune, right? And so now we are in the time of Sakadawa. And Sakadawa is that moment, is the previous month, is in the month, is the fourth month of the Tibetan calendar, where we celebrate, recollect and celebrate all mainly the three great actions showed by Buddha, right? Either his enlightenment, either his the entrance of his consciousness in the womb of his mother, also his paranirvana attainment, and also his determination of his Buddhahood, right? And so there are three completely precious and very virtuous actions that he showed to us during this time. For this reason, this month, this fourth month of the Tibetan calendar, which we call Sakadawa, right? The month of Saka, the star Saka. And so we consider so precious, and mainly for what? To accumulate merit and to accumulate good actions, because it's known that if we do any kind of virtues in this time, usually to collect virtues and merit is to make virtues, and is very good to accumulate merit. But mainly in this month, any virtues that we accumulate, the merit that we accumulate is going to be multiplied by many times. So for this reason, all practice that we do within this month is very virtuous and very meritorious. So one of the practice that is very common to do during Sakadawa is Nyune. So Nyune is the fasting retreat, fasting or reducing some of our actions. For example, we drink, we eat, we speak, and so forth. So all of these actions that we do in daily routine, so we reduce a lot in order either to collect merit and also to purify negativities. Why is that? Because most of our actions, most of our problems, they come from negative actions that we do with our thoughts, with our speech, and also using our expressions, body, and so forth. So for this reason, to purify all of these the negative actions using these three doors, and also to accumulate merit, also using these three doors of actions. And so we do this fasting retreat. And so you use the practice of reducing food, reducing liquid, and also using our body to prostrate and our mind to recollect the quality of all the higher beings, in order to also to be inspired for the future, for us to achieve this the same state of enlightenment, in order to help others. So with this motivation, we enter in this retreat. It's not easy because of course we are not used to, right, to reduce all the food. Sometimes, like to each 2 days, we are not used to don't drink absolutely any liquid, don't eat any food, like we are not used to this. But so many beings, so many beings, and even some, of course, some humans, but mainly other sentient beings, they go through this reality for so many years, and they have so much suffering that we don't even can bear a little bit of suffering, like spend few hours without food and so forth. And so in order to really recollect others' suffering, try to purify our own negativities and so forth, we do this practice of prostrating together with reducing food, and also, of course, so much things that we speak are completely useless, and also that can cause problems in our daily routine for ourselves and for others. So also we will reduce the amount of talk that we do every day. So this is going to be the Nyune. This is going to be the practice here at Gaden Chuling. We do 4 pairs. So during 8 days, we do this Nyune, and tonight we start with sort of an introduction, or it's not introduction. We do some prayers tonight in order to prevent some obstacles, right? And so we do some prayers to Paladin Lama, the Dharma protector, and others prayers in order to break any kind of obstacle during the next 8-10 days of practice. Okay, it's gonna be like that. And so happy Sakadawa for everyone.
Thank you so much for great explained about our fasting retreat.
Okay, thank you.
그럼 오다가도 뉴네 티디시 산이 뉴네 응무식 저거래. 근데 산이네 것도 뉴네 효과소 정도 발리 되니 니마직 니고 길라 이바지 니마직 길라다. 근데 쳐당 계셔시에 지암이 바지 되니 누가 있음기 거니 득바자야당 개와사야 그 제와드 무스 쪽이래.
Yeah, this is our new prayer hall. Now we are going to do worship for tomorrow, and I hope you all are enjoy and we continue to watch my YouTube channel. So go, let's go. There are
Sagateste anta dring nganzo nyune gi tenzin ratna. Sangi ni chene nganzo Sakadawa nyune ko sere ane. Ta nganzo ngara tawi na ra nyune pe kejumure samgidura. Ani jungna ta di nganzo 지랑아 공부가 가셔가실라 차게도 강자 들으면서 강자 도이나 다 차시 아니네 땅여래 아니들라 가서정원에 다 가서 두두 약보지 받침에 봐 약보지 되두나 섬 안드링 꿀렁 된다고 지게는 도이스
드시나